go give to you? My praise. Waiting I go give to you? My praise. Waiting I go give to you?
Their father, the thing saying no fit do one. Take a look at the whole everywhere shut down. Celebrating the great. You are really a great man indeed. We never start. DJ, drop on.
Get a lot, God you.
Hey! Give up a lot.
I don't pay my rent, God you. They be one for my hand, but God you. They be one keep my joy, but God you. I say anything and not God you. Not God you. Not God you.
Hold on. I be musical star. Today, we die here. Never see anything. Ike, you dey appreciate everybody since. Nice one. But you made a very big mistake. Now, Benny, you dey. You know appreciate some persons, which is very bad. Ladies and gentlemen, people who don't appreciate me, go appreciate them. With due respect, I want to quickly appreciate all the armed robbers in the building. You are highly welcome. Make una no vessel will not introduce you, I beg. I beg. You are highly welcome. Thank you for coming. God will continue to be blessing you. God said, I shall bless the work when they your hand. From today henceforth, anything when you thief, you'll quickly chop and reach half before police go hold you. You don't want to appreciate it? If cars begin loss, you don't call police. So, do not say that they're happy now. Very good, more appreciated. As you I also understand that because of the great coming total experience, Kovu no hold for Benin tonight. Which is, you are highly welcome. All of una team up, celebrating. That's very nice. We dey appreciate people. This work, I always tell people, don't ever underrate anybody in your life because nobody knows tomorrow. Ordinary rat. When we dey use Idosi 20 naira key, ordinary rat. Now they call first way the youth reach Aso Rock. Clap if you want clap. When Buhari see rat, he run. Say no one Lassa fever may join here problem. You go work now, say you get power. Now they don't summon Minister of Rats Association. Huh? I'm telling you, this country, work not do. Comedians when they see so. Everybody go school. Ink, now bank I still be. Me, I go school. Carry CV, go Abuja, find work. I don't see. I go Port Harcourt, find work. Joke when I never crack, now you they laugh. Not be my joke, you they laugh with that beg. Joke never reach where for the funny, you they laugh. No, I'm not the line person. They bias for my joke. If you funny, you laugh. If you never funny, wait. Don't clap for me small. Billy, I say I don't go Abuja. Carry my CV, go there, find work, I don't see. I go Lagos, find work, I don't see. Port Harcourt, find work, I don't see. Now, as I call the crack joke, person your coach shall say, go vote, you know funny, get that, you will give me work. DJ drop us boss. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for upcoming Terry G. He's here in the building. Upcoming Terry G. He not get talent, but they trade it at that first. Maybe if you can't grow, talent will can't grow. See, and so I don't hear you now. You don't popular now. Not be say later I'll meet you for transport for you. They say get out. CD never come out. You don't blow. But now whistle you blow. Whistle. All these words. You know, say not only for Benny arm robber go come for night. They go thief your phone. Daytime, same arm robber go still come. You say, hey, what be you call steal my phone? You say, now me now I forget collect charger. It's ready.
I go give to you, my praise. Waiting I go give to you, my praise. Waiting I go give to you.
Please, advice to all the youth here, please. If you are traveling to Lagos, don't ever toast any girl before you reach Ore. Because any girl, when you toast before you reach Ore, get time for mind say if you reach Ore, now you will buy food. Now idea they give you. I was traveling to Lagos. A guy was sitting close to me. I looked at the girl. I said, baby, you look psychedelic. Please, I want to be your pari passu. The girl looked me, she is. When we don't the near, the girl looked me, he touched me, say, excuse me, you were talking to me. Now I told Luca, I said, no worry, if we pass Ore, I will continue. This is international comedian Gofo. Come, we'll do this one. May I sign out? People many for granted. Ladies and gentlemen, I discovered that the way rich people greet after when they don't live their self for like 5 years is 100% different from the way poor people greet when they meet. You see a rich man, see a fellow rich man, after they don't live their self for like 5 years. Me, na rich man, for now, you self na rich man.
I be rich man, you feel poor. Claim your title.
Before you be a native, where they say it won't get stretch mark for you.
Hip hop. Okay now.
Okay, let's do it. Now, see rich man, see fellow rich man. They don't live themselves for like 5 years. You see something like this.
Oh my God.
Who am I seeing?
Hey, man.
Kennedy.
Mr. Houston.
How it's been a while?
Wow. Mr. Houston, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Where have you been, man?
Man, you know I'm a politician. I've been in Nigeria. Just that Mr. President is not really feeling fine. Have ear problem.
Oh, damn. No wonder he's been in London. I just came back from London prison, man.
Oh my God, that's good.
Yeah, man.
See as the shake. Rich man. So where are you heading to now?
I quickly want to get a Range Rover Sport for my young child. You know, he's 2 years old. They're celebrating his birthday.
Oh, that's really good. That's really
Yeah,
good.
man.
Extend my greetings to them, to
Oh,
your family.
Please, your wife, my regards to her. Please.
Okay, please, let me have your card. Here, rich man, let me have your card. Wait, let me bring my brother. Me not gonna get card for to do rich man only. Now this kind of thing is joke to this spoil. Wait till I have plan before devil want put me to shame. Okay, people don't they throw card, give me. They come here and still throw it back to you. Take your card. That card don't go make joke funny. Now, take.
Yeah, that's my concern. Make sure you reach me.
I will call you.
Oh, damn. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I will call you. Now, see the way when people when they regular, say they greet. No, if you get money, you can't stay irregular. It's just a sign of your problem. Next time, try and upgrade. Wait. See my Oga for that. Oga Classic. I done the funny since 1 naira you never spray. I be you done the whole house right now. Your money done the finish small. Hey! I bet quick up pick on before we spray and begin the picking money. What pick on, huh? You know, pick on. Before Yahoo boy spray now.
Upcoming to the G.
Pick on.
Okay now.
As you the pick and not go there, you give me for here. See one here. Now so I take go and call wedding. I can't send one small boy pick my money. 2 hours later, I defend the boy. I not see him. 3 hours, I see international number call me. I say, who is this? He said, now the person will pick your money. Oh. He said, I don't reach Libya. See one year. No, I know they use and play.
Oh yeah.
Classic. See as they do one. Can't finish work. Now, see poor man greeting. And they can carry waka in here. Oh boy, yeah, this life self.
Oh, Jetefia!
Who be the two?
Oh, Jetefia! Oh, see, oh, Jetefia! Oh, Jetefia!
See them when poor man they beer. That's why they not go ever get money. What's the meaning of Ojetefia? Hey! Oh, Jetefia!
Oh, Jetefia! Oh, Jetefia! Oh, Jetefia! Oh, boy!
Afana!
I just did.
They can't. But they always do. 1 naira, not a day pocket. Oh boy!
Hey!
You don't tell!
Oh, what happened? How you doing?
My brother, I just say, get me, I just the rush go. They can rush.
Oh, boy, also now. What are you going to do now?
My brother, I dey play my best.
Oh boy,
What you dey do?
La Nera Beto.
What go on, my brother?
Oh boy, I want to 4 flat.
Wait, 4 flat. Naira bet na office work. And I one game they always cut am. Ladies and gentlemen, they call me international comedian Bob Vote.
Thank you. Thank you.
Not gonna give to you, my friend.